Your brother's son is not allowed to cross on this path.
Says who?
Mazi, step aside. Woman, what is the problem?
You owe me.
I owe you. How do I owe you?
Are you stupid? Don't you have manners? You heard me.
As far as I am concerned, I do not owe you.
You owe me.
As far as I am concerned, woman, I do not owe you.
You don't have to shout.
I will shout at you so that you get it clearly that I do not owe you. I and my entourage are on our way to the Igwe's palace. Today is a day set aside for my coronation. Today is not a day set aside for troubles, woman. Step aside.
I brought you trouble. Brace it like the man. Or face it like the dope you claim you are.
Really? Woman? Brace it like the odogo that I am. I laugh because it would never be said that I, a Mezie, is embroiled in some kind of argument with a weak old woman like you, one who is old enough to be called my grandmother. Step aside.
Dreamer. Dreamer. Keep dreaming.
Step aside, woman. If you refuse to step aside, I am going to call my boys to bundle you and throw you into the bush. Move.
Baby, what is it? She stood on our way. Who stood on our way? What are you talking about? She was vomiting smoke. Are you having fever? Listen, are you running temperature? Is something wrong?
Mom, where's my daddy?
Your daddy traveled to the village. Are you alright?
Mommy, call him to come back now.
Chima, what in God's name is wrong with you? Your father has something very important to do in the village. Why would I call him to come back?
Mommy, I said call him to come back. I want to talk to him.
No, you cannot talk to your father. He is coming back today.
I don't want us to catch him.
Chima, what is wrong with you? What are you talking about? Who?
I brought trouble.
Stop stuttering on the phone, okay, man. Calm down. How much do they want? 7 million or 70 million? 70 million. Okay, that is fine. Listen, tell them to prepare an invoice that we're fine with that rate. As soon as we get the invoice, payment will be activated. Yes, first thing tomorrow morning. All right. Yeah, bye.
Imezie.
Father, I greet you, Father.
You are welcome.
Thank you. This is beautiful.
Yes.
I see that work is going on just fine.
Yes. We have people like you to thank who always remember to contribute to the building of the house of God.
You're welcome, Father. You're welcome. How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm okay. I came to fulfill the pledge that I made
Concerning the ongoing project.
Oh.
This is a check for 10 million naira.
Wow.
Yes.
This will go a long way.
I'm sure it will.
Yes.
I'm sure it will.
Why not come inside? Let's go inside.
No, Father. I would love to, sit and talk with you, but it's important that I see my kingsmen. I have an all-important meeting with them. Though impromptu, but I want to honor them. They are my people.
Okay, in that case, since you are in haste, not to worry, but before you go back to the city, do endeavor to come and see me so that I'll pray with you. It's very important.
Of course, Father.
Okay.
I'll come and see you. You want something, huh? Something for the
Thank you, sir. And as a matter of fact, this will be available in less than 48 hours.
No. I am here because I got your message.
Yes.
Let me have the package. I got your message, even though it was impromptu, you know, because I flew in from Dubai last night. My wife told me that my kingsmen need me. I'm a very busy man, so I'll just go straight to the point. I was intimated about the project, one that would move our community forward.
Oh, yes.
So in the light of that, I am going to donate the sum of 20 million naira.
I told you my nephew has a heart of gold.
Makananya ya non-don donate more.
Okay,
I'll make that money available, and I'll also donate a free transformer to the ultra-modern market that we're setting.
Yes. The lion of Omora.
I told you people that my nephew has a heart of gold. Thank you.
And as you all can see, I did not come empty-handed. Makananya, I no madam so I came with a token. Ono yeji we Zolomaya Zulo Soje Gotago. Na metokwa no ye. Oga dilu no ni nemma. I have a very busy day ahead of me. I have to be in town for another meeting.
Whatever this one, another one will come in.
Hey!
Hey! Oh, that is a
your money is like a river. Your money don't put the enemies into confusion. Every day and night, these people not the sleep out for your case. Oshimilata Camelia. If you get the cash, spend them. Digital beggar, yellow bone, get plenty money. They got the man. If you get the cash, sipenda, digital bag, sibag, you put us the bag, yellow bag,
Mama, is everything all right?
Akufecha Odarawo. Here you are, after running.
Running? Running? Mama, running from what exactly?
Stop pretending as if you don't know what you did to me.
Okay, I don't know what you're talking about, but I remember that I promised the women of my community some money at the last bazaar. If this is some kind of a protest, I would have you know that I intend to fulfill that promise next week, Monday, Mama.
You better apologize before it is too late for you.
Apologize for what? You know what? You're here. I might as well bless you with something. Here, Mama. This is a token.
Poor.
Mama, take this and buy something for yourself.
Poor. With this sand, I will be a trap, and you will be a monkey whose testicles are caught by me. So shall it be. Here for splashing mud on me. You will experience extreme poverty, a kind that no one has experienced in this kindred. You will feed from hand to mouth. You will be an example of wretchedness. Nothing will save you until you go on your knee and apologize to me. So shall it be.
We greet you.
You are welcome. You may sit. He is a stupid dancer who does not know that a stage does not belong to one man to explore. He is a blind bird who wants to go into a tug of war with an ego. He is stupid. He cannot step on my toes and get away with it. Never.
You mean he stepped on your toes too?
Yes, but that will be his last.
We have a picture of Emezie and some sand off his feet.
Don't worry, my son. I have his picture. How do you want me to compound his problem?
Oma, this man has really challenged me. That I had to kill my wife and my only son to make money. Yet his wealth keeps growing.
What do you want me to do to him?
I want him to become as wretched as a man who has never seen money in his entire life.
Aboma, more will come from where this is coming from. All we need for you to do for us is to cripple him for us.
My son, I don't need your money. Promise me that you will give me whatever I ask you to give me when I cripple him.
Yes, we will.
We will. We promise. We will do anything possible. Anything you want, we will give to you.
I will make him invest all his money in a company that does not exist. Yes, that I will do in 2 days.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to fill up this basket with water.
It's again.
Filling up the basket with water.
How? Actually, wait.
What?
How is this even possible?
How is it not possible? Huh? I'm trying to show you how diligent I can be.
Obim, this is ridiculous. What is diligent about this? Eh?
What is not diligent about this?
Eh?
What is the problem? You see, this is the problem with short-sighted people. You all always think that everything extraordinary is ridiculous.
There is nothing extraordinary in what you are doing. This is madness. Yes. What is wrong with you? Eh?
You know what? You are not a distraction. Move.
Move where? I am not moving an inch until you stop this rubbish.
I'm going to pour you this water. You know how to do it.
Go ahead. Pour me the water. No, go ahead and pour the water on me. Quiet now.
You will drink this water.
Drink what? Eh? What is wrong with you today? What is going on? Pour me the water.
What's your problem?
What problem? Let me here. Let me listen. What is wrong with you?
Look at the more. It's okay.
And I say, what are you doing?
I will cut you into two.
What kind of problem is this? Eh? What kind of problem is this? And I say, what is wrong? How can you be using a knife to cut firewood?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God you are here. People talk to him.
Mazi, what is it? What is it?
What are you doing?
Look, the problem is that I am surrounded by short-sighted people. I'm a dreamer. You know
Yes.
that I am a dreamer. And as it is, Mazi, I am going to venture into something very big. You must see it with me.
Ta!
You don't see it.
You call cutting firewood with kitchen knife a venture? You
don't see it. But give me my knife. Let me have my knife.
Yeah, what is wrong with you?
Mazi, how is this your business?
What is wrong with you, Bukonu?
Uncle, what is wrong with you? How is this your business? You walk into my compound, you collect my knife, and you're trying to bully me.
Hey?
Let me have my knife.
You said at me? Me, your uncle?
Let me have my knife. Mazi, let me have my knife.
Stop this nonsense. Hey, just stop this thing. What's wrong with you? Oh, God, keep us in care. Eh?
In my own house. Mazi, in my own house. It's okay.
Yeah.
Don't touch me. Leave me alone.
To fear. To fear. Hey. Who did this? Hey. If I were Akana, it's not ordinary. Mbano. Hell. Hello? Hey, thank God. Oluchi! Where's your husband? All is not well. All is not well. I was relaxing on my couch, and all of a sudden, I slept off. All of a sudden, I saw Emizie cutting firewood with kitchen knife. It's not normal. You did? Hey, yeah. Tell him to see me immediately he comes back.
Okay. I know who you are.
You know me. I'm a friend to your grandmother.
So, what do you want?
Good boy. I came to collect your father's pair of shoes for his birthday. My son, give me a pair of your father's shoes so that I can take it to my shoemaker to make a good shoe for your father on his birthday, my son.
You're evil! I know who you are! You're evil!
Oh, my son, I am not evil. I'm not even harmful, my son. I'm not even harmful. Come, I have something to show you.
Don't show me anything! Leave me alone! Now leave this house!
Small boy with large conscience. Look at you. Don't you have fear? An old woman like me, you are shouting at me.
Fear? Fear of what? You mean I should be scared of you? Let me tell you, I am not scared of you. Leave me alone. Now leave my father's house. I said leave. Where are you going to? I said out. Out of my house.
Who are you talking to?
Is it your business?
Hey. Wow. That's how it starts. So just talking to space. Who are you? And how did you come into this compound?
Don't you know me?
I don't know you.
I'm your master's aunt. I came to collect his pair of shoes so I can make a new one for his birthday.
No, I'm sorry, I can't do that. If I try it, my master will be so mad at me.
As big as you are you afraid? And who would tell your master if you don't tell him?
No, I can't try it.
It's all yours.
Mama, I don't know. You say my Oga's pair of shoes.
Yes.
It's what you want.
Good.
Give me a minute, I'm coming. Just wait here for me. Of shoes. You can have them. In fact, if you want more, I can even empty his where he keeps his shoes and come and give them to you. In as much as
Don't worry, my son. This one is enough. Yes.
It's okay. You can start going now.
Thank you. Be hard for me to forgive you for what you did. Let's back. My son, please help me put down this firewood. It's breaking my neck. I cannot move. Please.
Are you blind? Can't you see I'm in a hurry?
Son, please. If you don't help me, I will die.
What kind of problem is this? Can't you see I'm nicely dressed? Or do you want to steal my clothes? Do you?
There is no cloth that is worth human life. Please, help me.
What are you talking about? Do you know how much I bought these clothes? Because had it been you, you wouldn't have stopped me here to help you. I'm just helping because of one reason. I don't know why every time you're always disturbing me. I should help you fetch the water. I should have you do this. And whenever you want me to help you, that's when I'm nicely dressed. It's not good. I'm just happy because of one reason. After today, I'm not going to help you again. And I'm serious with it. Are you okay now?
I thought you could have helped me to carry the firewood to my house.
So you can't even tell me thank you for helping you to carry this firewood on your head. Can you see my hand? Can you see it? I'm done.
Agent of Satan,
And now, you've done another one. For making me a laughing stock, you will remain a laughing stock to everyone until the end of your life. You will face cold in the hot season. Others will feed from hand to mouth. You will feed like a hungry dog. Yes. If the earth will allow you, step on it.
It's around, sir.
Emezi, we are finished. We are in trouble.
Calm down. What is it?
We are doomed. The Chinese man Tunde introduced us to is fake.
Hey! Talk to me now. Stop. What is it?
Tunde used a fake Chinese company to dupe us. We have been duped.
Stop. Don't be joking. Don't be joking. Something like that. Stop. What are you talking about now?
I said, Tunde used a fake Chinese company to dupe us.
Wait.
Hey, God!
Wait. You're trying to tell... No, Obiora. What are you saying? That the Chinese company that we've been talking to, that we sent all that money to, is fake?
Our money is gone. Our money is gone. My 990 million is gone. It's gone.
But no.
Hey, God.
What about... Wait, slow down. What about Mr. King? You remember Mr. King, right? We had virtual calls with him. We're talking on Zoom, right? We're talking to him. He's there. His partners are there. We're talking, right?
My money is gone. All the money I invested is gone. Hey, God! Hey, what do I do? Who do I run to? Who do I tell? What?
I'm finished.
Oh, God! Hey! What do I tell the people that I borrowed money from? Hey, I'm finished. Oh, God! Hey, God!
What's going on? What's happening here? Did anyone die? Honey? Babe.
We have been duped.
By who?
We've been duped. The Chinese company we've been sending money to, it's fake. Everything we've been told about the company is all lies. All our money is gone. Gone. What do I do? Hey, God! What do I do now? What do I do? Hey, God.
Jesus Christ. Please.
Do you understand?
Hey, God.
Do you understand? Like, do you understand?
Do you know how much we're talking about here? Do you know how much we're talking about? Like the 3 of my lands on the island, I put them out on lease just so that I can raise some funds. The 2 acres of land that I have in Abuja, I used as collateral to get a loan of $2.6 million from the bank. Now, the 400 million naira in cash that I also invested in this business, 250 million out of that belongs to other people. Where do I begin to cut my losses? How?
Exactly.
How?
What do I tell the bank and the people I borrowed money from? Who would I run to?
No.
Hey, God!
No, this is not them. This is not happening. Hey! It's not happening. Hi. If this is true, I would die.
No, please. You would not use that word. Nothing will happen to you. Hi. I just need you to be strong.
Hey! How can I be strong? Oluchi, how can I be strong? I borrowed money from people. How can I be? Hey!
What? Everything will be fine.
How?
That's why we have come. We need the money so that we can pay the workers in the community school.
We are very happy to meet you at home because your uncle, Maziz, thought he would be in Hong Kong by now.
My orders. Something bigger than the cricket has crept into its abode. But I'll send word across by the end of this month.
Ochile and Omego have promised to redeem their pledges tomorrow. And we need to start so that those projects can continue.
Aneliako, we wouldn't like anything to delay that project because we are bound to open that ultramodern market by December.
That's correct.
I hear you. I'll send word across. End of this month.
Okay then.
Let's go.
Over.
Emezir, why have you not been picking my calls all this while? Why?
Sit down, please.
Give me my money. I need my money.
Tony, I am sure that you heard what happened to me. Emezie, whatever happened to you happened out of your carelessness. Where's my money? I need my money. You'll get your money. I put this house up for sale. As soon as I get a good buyer, I'll call you in for your money. Emezie, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can even get you a buyer in the next 24 hours. No. That will not be necessary. I'll get a buyer and you get your money. Okay, no problem. If that's what you said, no problem. But what I need my money.
Why are you walking so dejectedly? Where's your car?
What is it again you want this time?
No, Oluchi, you look worried. I hope everything is alright with you.
I don't know what's going on.
Talk to me, what is going on?
No. I don't know how many demons they have sent to us. It just feels like the world is crumbling on us.
Wait, how is your husband's business?
Terrible. Very bad.
Okay, you know what? Let's go to a place and sit down and talk about it.
Can you just stop this nonsense? You know that I am married. What is wrong with you?
Have I done anything wrong?
Well, the last time you asked us to talk, you started preaching love and all sort of nonsense, knowing full well that I am a married woman.
Oluchi, stop. You know what happened? That Emezie broke my hand and took you away from me because of money.
Oh, well, that is in the past right now. You are married and I would advise that you stop this nonsense.
No, I want you back. Yes, I want you back.
I am married. Does that sound like Spanish to you?
Oluchi, see, I'm not going to let go. I will wait for you to have your baby and after that, I will come back for you.
Can you just stop?
You say you're selling the car?
No. Let's just talk about the house.
Okay. Well, I will pay you 5 million.
Please now. I understand that it's a distress sale, but come on, you cannot even buy this parking space for 5 million now. Please now, don't talk like this, my friend. Please. Okay, you know what? Hi. Okay, let's do 10. 10 million.
How about 7 million? Let me give you 7 million.
Brother, please. This is a property we're talking about. We're not pricing fish. Please. Okay, you know what? So that we don't keep going back and forth.
Okay.
I can let it go for 8.
8.
Please. Let's shake hands on 8. Please.
Alright, I'll give you 8 million. Okay, can I give you a check?
Yes, you can write me a check, that's fine.
Alright, I think I have my check. Alright. So I'll just write it to you. Alright, so I got to go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I want
see you
to
later.
ask you a favor.
And what is this?
Can my family and I stay here for another 2 weeks? You know, to afford us the time to find somewhere cheaper in town where we can move to. Please, it will not be more than 14 days, I promise you.
Well, that's not a problem. As long as you will leave after 2 weeks.
Oh yes, 2 weeks.
Alright.
Please.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you.
Oh, nice to see you.
Thank you.
Alright, see you later now.
Emeze, I don't want story. I don't want story.
What is it? Now calm down.
See, Emeze, my money is not 8 million. So what is the balance of 8 million, 2 million?
I know I will give you 2 million. I know. I'm the one owing you. But you see this car here, I'm looking for a buyer for it. As soon as, just like I got a buyer for this house, as soon as I sell this, I give you 2 million.
Oh, Emeze, why are you doing this? You know my goods are in the wharf and I need to clear them. And I have demurrages to pay.
I know you have things to settle with money, but we're not fighting. I'm only owing you now.
Emeze, we're fighting, oh.
Please. Life does not end here, Tony. Remember, I'm going to find myself on my feet again someday, and I'll be nice to you. Remember that when I was in money, I gave you money. I helped you to start this business that you're running now that is making you so much money. I helped you.
Yes, you did. But what did you do when you became a billionaire? You left me, you overlooked me, and went to your first class friends.
I'm sorry. As soon as I find a buyer for this car, I'll make sales and I'll pull out 2 million and give to you. Please.
See, I'd rather sell it myself. In fact, let's do counterbalance. Let me take some of your money. Let me take one of your cars. So I will do two of those counterbalance.
Okay, so how much do you want to buy?
Well, I like the car somehow, but 2 million, just 2 million.
Eh?
Chinenye.
What? Look at the car you're pricing 2 million. It's a Range Rover.
Emeze.
I bought this car this year. Don't do this now. Eh? Give me 6. 6 is fine. Eh? I bought this car for my wife this year.
Emeze.
Tony. Eh?
See.
I know that life is hard on me, but don't make it worse now. You're supposed to be my friend. How can I be pricing? I bought this car for my wife for her birthday.
Leave this. Well, in fact, let me just add 1 million.
I bought this car for you.
Let me just add 1 million for you.
What, you want to buy this car for 3 million? Tony, what kind of a friend are you? You're supposed to be my friend.
Emeze, are you selling this car or not? Or should I leave?
Life.
See, as I told you before, if you don't give me, you either give me my money or I will report you to my village oracle. And it will come to collect this by itself. So, are you selling it or are you giving me my money? Which one are you doing?
It's fine, no problem. Bring 3 million.
I don't know what you're saying. In fact, I'm coming. Let me go to my car.
How much is this?
That's 1 million.
Honey, if we're going here, this. It's fine. The car is yours.
Well, there's no problem. Tomorrow, I will send my boys to come and pick the car tomorrow.
No problem. That would also give me the time to do the paperwork for the car.
No problem. Take care of yourself.
Yes, hold on.
Where is your husband?
Oh, Mr. D, you're welcome.
Where is your husband?
He's inside.
Go and call him. Do fast. I don't have much time.
Yes.
Go and call your husband.
He's here.
My friend, how are you now?
Who's your friend? Where's my money?
Relax. I was about to call you this morning.
You were about to call me. Where is my money?
Look, I don't have any money right now. Okay, you know what Tunde did to me. He's your friend. You know the story.
I've told you countless times. Tunde is not my friend. Raise my money. See, if you don't give my money, I'm going to invite... You think I'm playing? Olas! 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 You think I'm playing? Don't do that, don't do that thing. Here, don't do that. Give my money, you're wasting my time. We'll get you your money. Relax. You're wasting my time. Are you still there? Go fast. I'll get your money. I don't have much time. See these people low. All you can do, I'm all can score you.
It's fine. It's okay.
It's complete, right?
Yeah, the money is complete. That's it.
People will know how to borrow money, don't know how to pay back. See, let me tell you. For this you have done, I'm going to invite the spirit of the ancestors to curse you that money will run away from your entire family. You are not going to have any money again. You people know how to borrow money, don't know how to pay back.
Who paid you now?
You paid me for how long?
Who paid you now?
Stop saying that!
What's this problem now?
How much was that?
That's 500,000 now. He was the one that designed the website and did some other things.
Hi! This is not ordinary. There is definitely something wrong somewhere. This is not ordinary.
Who are you?
Where's the money?
What money? What
from you, Mr. Man? God.
What are you talking about?
Come get top! Where's the money?
We don't have anybody.
No money. No
money!
I want to give him the money.
Where's the money?
What did you say?
Give him the money.
You're wasting my time, Mr. Man. I have no time.
No. Please, don't do anything. He'll give you. He'll give you money.
I'll give it.
Move it!
Please, don't touch him. He'll give you the money, please.
That's the last one in this house. Hold strong, please. Hold strong.
I'm trying.
Hold strong. I beg you, hold strong.
I'm trying.
Please.
I'm trying.
Please.
I'm trying.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop shaking. Stop shaking. Stop shaking. You're fine.
What is it? You don't look happy. What happened? Talk to me now. You are getting me worried. What happened?
What do you want me to say? I'm tired. Moye did not pay me a kobo. After within his life, Moye did not pay me a single dime.
Naginemeze, why?
After working for him, he now told me that there is no money, that his son is going to send the money from Ubah next week. Next week!
Why are people like this?
For what that I have done, oh?
Eh? Oh, he knows that his son will send the money next week. Or when saying Nagiga na the farmland and go and weed it. Why didn't he wait for his son to send the money before asking you to weed his farmland?
I'm tired.
Doesn't he know that you have a family?
I'm tired.
Ha!
As far as I'm concerned, I feel like I have bad luck. That's what I'm beginning to think. Because I don't understand why everything I do trouble. I work for people. Is it that they are owing me or we end up fighting? Meanwhile, other people work for those same people. They'll just pay them.
Calm down. They say there is power in our tongue. This is not bad luck. It is not our portion. People are just wicked. But not to worry, everything will be fine.
When now? When? I worked for one. After working for one, you were there. He did not give me a dime. The other carpenter, the one down the road, got a contract at one site. Was I not the one helping him? For 4 whole days of my life, I was carrying wood, carrying plank, carrying iron, carrying stuff from his shop to site. Shop to site. Shop to... At the end, what did he tell me? Did he give me money? Did he give me money? And you say it's not bad luck?
Okay. We just need to keep hoping on God. We just need to keep praying. There is nothing else we can
But I
do.
have been praying now. I have been praying. Have I not read all the verses in the book of Psalms? I have been praying. You see me every day praying. What is following me?
You know what? We'll just keep hoping on God to make things better for us. This is not bad luck. It is not our portion and will never be. Everything will be alright. Onam, Biko.
I'm getting tired.
Please. Don't be like this. Huh?
I'm getting tired. I'm not going to listen to this voice. I'm not going to listen to this voice asking me to take my life.
God forbid. God forbid. God forbid it. Nambiko kwa. Biko. Ejumchuku we yogi. Don't even say that again.
I'm tired.
Don't say that. Biko. Biko.
I'm tired.
Hi.
Masubika. Thank God you are home. Hey. I met you well,
Good. Are you done with the wedding?
I'm done with everything. I decided to finish it today.
It's okay. I will go and inspect it later.
No, everything is perfect, oh. You know me now. Everything is perfect.
I believe you. Then go where? Let me see you later.
No. Mazi, I came so that you can find me something.
Something like what?
Mazi, you know why I'm standing here. Money now, the money we agreed. The 1 2.
Oh!
Yes.
It's alright, my dear. But the truth is that I don't have any 1 naira here. The truth is that I don't have any kobo. Now, I'm even planning to go and borrow money from somebody to make sure that I meet up with some issues.
Maz, you cannot tell me this now. My pregnant wife is at home. She's hungry. What is she going to eat?
I told you I don't have a dime on me. I even told you I want to go and borrow from somebody to meet up with some family issues. So you go. Whenever I'm ready, I will call you to come and collect your money. I'm not going to eat your money.
Okay, Mazi, please. Like I told you, there's no food in my house. Even if it's like 2 or 3 tubers of yam, let me go home. At least we'll find oil and salt and just boil the yam and eat. I'm begging you.
Young man,
please.
The truth is I don't have any tuber of yam. No yam at all in this house. I don't have it. Please. Whenever, look, I will go and inspect the farm. I inspect it and make sure you did
Mazi, I'm
work.
begging you now, but you're eating. Have conscience now. You're eating rice. Even if it is like 2 derricks of rice, give me. Let me take to my wife. She can boil it and we just sprinkle oil and eat and cut vegetable and put inside. Please.
Even 1 cup of rice is not in this house now. All I'm assuring you is that the money will reach your hand. I will call and give you the money when I get it. You never know. But anyway, you can go back there. Go behind the house there. You will see some pot of water and drink. Drink a cup from there. Take it and hold your body.
Maz, you give me my money.
Mazobika, Igenyamego.
I have told you go to this one. You don't believe me.
Forget what you told me. You will give me my money. Igenyamego. Mazi, please leave that food that you're eating and give me my money.
Oh, by force.
Mazi, give my money. Mazi, give me my money so that a small boy will not embarrass you here. Give my money. Mazi, give me gum.
Don't try my temper.
Mazi, give my money.
Don't go home.
Mazi. Hey, Mazi, I'm not tall, I'm big like this for nothing. No, Mazi, give my money, I'm telling you.
Wait. And Charunu, can't you go? Look at this. 200 naira. I won't get my check. Let me put myself on this. Take it.
What is this? Out of
money!
1,200 naira.
I give you money.
Give my money. Give my money. Give my money. Give my money. Give my money. Give my money. Give my money. I'll give somebody. Give my money. I'll give somebody. Give my money. Give my money. Give my money. Give my money. I will give your nephew. I got 3 plus of that for him. I got 3 plus of that. We agreed for 1,200 naira.
I'm not even.
Is that what happened? Eh? What
happened?
What happened?
I was in my house.
Tell him to give my money. Tell him to give my money.
He was the one that came into my house. But he wants to weed my farm. I graciously allowed him to go and weed the farm. He now came back and asked the one for the money. I said, no problem, I will pay you, but now I don't have money. Huh? Well, in fact, I was even trying to borrow money from somebody.
Mazi, he came to me and told me that he has 3 plots of land that he wants me to weed for him. Okay. That it will take like 3 or 4 days. I said, okay. We agreed that he will pay me 1,200 naira. Very small body. Very small body. Because of my condition, I still accepted it. Only for me to go to that piece of land. I decided to just impress him. I did all that job for just 1 day. I came here hoping that he would be so impressed. I said, okay, let me give you 2,000 naira. He now gave me 200 naira. Hey! I said that he does not know where he will give me my 1,000 naira.
Ask him whether he was not the one that came to me asking me to that he wants to weed my farm.
But we had an agreement.
But I have no money now.
We had an agreement.
That is what you give my money. Okay, my money. That's my own money. Okay, no problem. What? My money. He's still in my hand. Wait. Huh? He has refused to take the money. You don't want to take the money.
It's okay.
He has rejected the money I gave to him. Therefore, let him go without anything. Right. But all I know is I will pay him 1,200 naira. That's the cost. But I will go there and inspect the farm first. I know how far you are.
What are you inspecting? I did a good job for you.
It's all right.
Young man, you have just insulted me and I demand you take it back in full. Take it if you want to take it. Nonsense.
It's all right. James.
Maya?
Yeah, just go home.
Mazi?
Go home, I will come and see you.
Mazi, warn him all!
It's all right.
Warn this one!
I will see you. Go home.
Mazi, it's because of you.
It's all right. It's okay.
Mazi, it's because of you. How can I work for somebody 1,200 and he decides to keep the 1,000 and give me 200?
I'll bring it.
Is it fair?
It's not fair. Go home.
Odemma.
Go home. Go home.
Wait.
I'll see you.
Is this thing happening? So he came to my house, insulted me, and threw away my food.
It's okay.
I did everything.
Hey!
No. And I left you like that.
You go home. I will bring it. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay.
All
right.
Nonsense. Want him when he reach you.
I don't need you to start talking me out of this. If you can get back to me on this today, I'll be very happy. Please, just try and sell off everything in the bag. Everything. I need the money. I'll do my best. Okay. Thank you. I would have walked you, but I'm tired. It's okay. Is this what they call from grease to grass? Just in the twinkle of an eye. Hi.
If you do good, if you smile, it's a book. If I put it in love for Anya mire jumanya obi mawagamo. People are wicked. Anya mire jumanya you can't sleep for your case. Is this this how the world is? People are wicked. Is this how I'm gonna live my life? I'm losing my sanity. I'm losing my sanity.
I will feast on you like termites, and nothing will be left. Pwah. Pwah.
That was really fast though. I was expecting you to come maybe tomorrow or the after. Hey, Name, thank you. Oh,
The money. The money.
what money are you talking about?
Where's your husband?
I don't know where he is. What is wrong with you? Why are you asking after my husband?
Something happened.
Huh? Something happened to Mezie?
No. Something happened to us.
Who is us, Okwano? What are you saying?
The money disappeared.
You are still getting me confused. You haven't said anything. You not say money. Which money?
The money I made from selling of the clothes and the jewelries, it disappeared. I can't find it anymore. But I know I kept it there. I know I just kept it to ease myself. I can find it. I can find the money. I can't find it. I can't find the money. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. It disappeared.
How did it happen?
I don't know. They gave me the money. Yes, they gave me the money. But I hid it somewhere in the bush for me to ease myself and come back. And I couldn't find it. I know they gave me this money. It disappeared. I searched the whole place. The whole bush. I can't find it. I know. I don't know how I lost hope.
That was my last hope.
I don't know what happened. I don't know how it happened.
That was my last hope.
How it happened. I made sure no one saw me. How it happened, I didn't know.
Hey.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
Morning. What can I do for you?
Sir, I'm coming from the site, sir. The boys do not allow me to work with them, sir.
Wow. That's the position of things. I have enough men to do the offloading for me.
Hi, Oga, no, Oga, you cannot do this to me now, Oga, no. Oga Bikono, please, let me walk. Please. I told them that I normally work with you. But they said that you're the one that gave instruction that you have enough people. But I told them that no, that if you see my face, that you let me walk. But you are not there. So let me come to you, sir. Please, sir. You know I'm a loyal servant. You know I've always worked well for you. Please.
I know, but as you can see, I've already made up my mind. The men are enough to do the offloading for me.
Sir, but you have always liked me. Now you told me that when I carry cement, I go very far because of my height. Yes. That's what you told me, sir.
I know.
Please.
I can't change my mind.
Sir, please, I'm begging you. Please, because of how loyal I am. Sir, you know I don't give you troubles. I don't even go for water break sometimes. I just walk.
You are disturbing me.
Sir, even when you are owing people and you owe me, I don't even hold your shirt. Other workers, they hold your shirt. They embarrass you. I tell you, sir, when you have the money, you call me.
You want me to push you before you go?
Go!
Who will save me? My life is shambles. Who will rescue me? I need the help. Oh, this suffering is too much on me. This world is too much on me.
Why are you crying?
I'm not crying. Where is your dad?
But there's tears on your cheek.
Biko, please, just let me be now. Where is your father?
He went to see someone who called him for a job. But what's the problem?
The garri I was carrying mistakenly fell into a mud.
Mommy, it's not why you're crying. Don't cry, okay? We'll eat another day.
You won't understand. Your father has not eaten anything. And he needs to eat something when he gets back. We don't have anything to eat.
No, don't worry, okay? God will provide.
Thank you. Run to Mama Nkechi's shop, eh? Tell her to give you a cup.
What's the problem?
Chimo.
Oh, what is it?
Hey! Chimo. My money. My money. Help! Ow! Ow! My money! Oh. Ah.
Is this still the money you're looking for?
Hey! Oh, Chimo, where is my money? Oh. Hey! Ow!
Mommy!
Ow!
Are you still looking for the money?
Nah, this is the only money we have left. This is the only money we have left in this world. Hey.
Hey. Someone might have picked it. Let's just go home for the sake of your pregnancy. You hurt yourself, Mommy.
I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere until I find the money. Until I find the money. Where else do you want us to get money from? Where? Where? Hey! Chimo.
Cause if you do good, if you survive, so
where's my wheelbarrow? Hey! My wheelbarrow. I cannot find my wheelbarrow that I used to bring something for you. Hey! Where's my wheelbarrow now? Oh! Who carried my wheelbarrow? Was it not here? I came like this. I dropped the goods like this.
I'm talking to you now. Your wife is at the hospital now.
What is it? What is the problem?
He's in labor now. He's in labor now.
My wife?
Yes, I send you.
In labor? Let's go.
Who even opened that door for you? Whosoever that opened that door, I close it. I close it permanently. I close it permanently. I close it permanently.
Cause if you do good, if you smile, it's so good. If I believe in love,
Mazi, how did it go?
It went off well. Congratulations.
Thank you. Did you see the baby? Did the doctor allow you to see the baby?
Mba, but he told me there are a set of triplets. Ito. Congratulations.
Triplets. Let me get lost. Marcy, let me get lost. Marcy, let me get lost. Marcy. Hi. Marcy, let me get lost. Marcy, I want to get lost. I don't have money for one. I don't have money for one. And you're telling me I have a set of triplets. How will I take care of them?
The God that brought them to this world will give you the money.
I don't agree, Marcy. That God should know. If that God you're talking about has eyes, he should know that I don't have money for even one child.
Don't worry.
Why is he giving me 3?
Don't behave like a coward.
Let me get lost.
Don't behave like a coward.
Mazi, right now I'm a coward. A man that does not have money is a coward. I'm a coward.
You are a man. You are a man.
The money they asked me to get at the hospital, I've not been able to raise it. So if I go there now, what do you want me to tell them?
Congratulations. Yeah. Congratulations.
Is this how I'm gonna live my life? I'm losing my sanity. I'm losing my sanity. Where will I start? I'm knowing that everywhere. Who will save me? My life is shambles. Who will rescue me? I need the help. Oh, this suffering is too much on me. This world is too much on me.
Oga! Oga! What do you want?
Good day. Good day. I am looking for Omego's house. I was told it's a stone throw from here.
Oga, please. I'm not in the mood. Please, if you are looking for somebody's house, you go straight now. When you get to the end of the road, go right or left, you ask them. Please, please, allow me.
Sorry, excuse me.
Oga, please. I don't want to insult your white guinea brocade. Leave me alone.
Can you take me there, please?
I'm not in the right state of mind. Can't you take this? Do I look okay to you?
I won't waste your time. Calm down. Calm down.
Hey.
Just come in. I won't waste your time.
This man. What do you want?
Don't vent your spleen on me, please. Can you come in?
You look like a ritualist first and foremost.
I'm not.
Do you want to use me for ritual? No, you can use me because right now my life is empty and over. What do you want?
Young man, take it easy. Just take me to Omego's house.
Omego is a very popular person. When you get to the end, you see Okada people there. Ask them. I think he's right. His house is at the right. Go now.
Please, I appeal to your conscience. It's urgent. Just help take me there. Please.
Hi.
Biko. Biko. Whatever it is, please, just calm down. Please. Okay, let me.
Please, next time, tell me to open the door. I'm not a woman.
No.
Leave the door.
Young man, what is your problem?
What, didn't you find the place?
I did. But
okay.
Why are you like this?
My brother. I'm here thinking of my life, oh.
Talk to me. What is your problem?
This world, eh?
I guess you...
This world.
What about this world?
This world is turning me around.
Young man, what exactly is your problem?
See, my brother. Let me not bother with my troubles, eh? Don't worry.
Like you're new in this village. I am Sonny Billion.
My name is Chukwu Emezie. People call me Emezie.
Emezie, what is eating you up? What exactly is your problem? Talk to me.
As I'm sitting down here, my wife is at the hospital. She just gave birth to a set of triplets that I did not ask for.
That is good news. Oh, home. Please, take me to the hospital. Let me see them. Triplets? You should be happy.
How can I be happy? How can I be happy? Do you know how much you're asking me to get? Do I look like somebody that has money to you? I don't have money.
Emezie, how much are they asking?
Initially, when we were expecting one child, they told me to bring 100-something thousand. Right now, I know that the money must have tripled, just like the children have tripled. So, I don't know what to do. Maybe if I have 200-something thousand, I can go there and start begging them.
You see, Emezie, God blessed me so I can help people. I mean, that is chicken change. It is.
Well,
what if I tell you I would assist you?
My brother, look, please. You see my situation, you'll not understand it. I just feel that there's something following me. I feel that I'm under a serious curse because I don't know. No, every time I try to do something, it just goes wrong. Even if you help me now, something will still go wrong. Something will go wrong.
You're not cursed. Emezie, word of the mouth, very, very strong. How would you say you're cursed? No, you're not. You see, in life, there is something called vicissitudes, ups and downs. You're on your downs. You still get back, okay? This is not the end of the world. Never mind, okay? I would assist you. I will. What did you say the amount is?
If I can go there with maybe 250 or 270, anything, I can begin to beg them.
250,000. Excuse me. Just give me a minute. Emezie, I'd expected a change of face, at least a smile and a beam of hope. Well, this is my card. And this is 300,000 naira. Take. I told you I'm Sonny Billion. This is what I'm born to do. Help people.
Thank you. I cannot thank you enough. I don't even know who you are. Thank you.
Come on. I told you I was born to do this. You see, you are a very good man. You remember the other day you helped me carry 2 bags of yam for my grandmother? You see, this life is small. You see, what goes around comes around. Huh. Here we are. Emezie, remember to give me a call.
Cause if you do good, if you smile, if I put him alone, Anya mire jumanya obi amawagamo. People are wicked. Anya mire jumanya you can't sleep for your case. Is this how the world is? People are wicked. Is this how I'm gonna live my life? I'm losing my sanity. I'm losing my sanity. Where will I start? I'm dying dead everywhere. Who is saving my life is shambles? Who will rescue me? I need the help.
Wasi. I have found the items needed for the big sacrifice. And what is that? Triplets. Sonny Billions. Where did you find them? Oh, that should not arise. I was expecting to see excitement from you, Omega. This is what we've been looking for. Wherever I got the items from is immaterial at the moment. What is important now is we have the items for the oracle. What are we waiting for, Sonny? We have to use them as quick as possible. My name Dajo. You know what? I am working on something. And I know in no distant time to be ready. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Good. Omega!
Sonny Billion.
Omega!
Sonny Billion.
I thought when I told you the news would get me something here.
Yeah. Oh, but you know now, I think it's the hard time for us to do something now.
Leave English alone.
Who is there?
Hey, happy moment, man.
Sonny Billion.
Yeah, so maybe.
Emezie here is my kinsman. You need to know this young man back in the days where he throws money as if it has no value. On atosase ego atosase. Onye obuna ofo wole ego. Ebe obuna na-eme launch donation on our ego. As if he had a tree where he blocks them. But here today. They go different today.
Well, Emezie, life is full of vicissitudes, ups and downs. For me, you are in this condition because you have refused to take the bold step. You see me, Sonny Billion. I am one of the men who suffered in my community before I told myself, look, it is enough. And it was enough. You see, if you don't take that decision, you will continue like this. So it is in your court.
No, but I'm tired. I'm tired. That is why I'm here. Looking for help, seeking for help. I'm tired. I want to make money. I have suffered too much. Every day I come out to this market, carry this wheelbarrow, help people carry goods, and they give me 200. Sometimes some people don't even give me money.
I like the spirit. I like the spirit. And that means we would take it.
Have you learned your lesson?
I have.
Okay, we will help you. But one thing, you will keep it a secret. Not even your wife will know about this.
You see, the first time I set my eyes on you, it made him follow.
Ocho. Hi.
Generational curse following you. And when you have issues like this, do you know what you need? spiritual cleansing. Serious spiritual cleansing. As a matter of fact, you need to appease your grandfather. He has to forgive you so that all these curses will go and you begin to live life again, just like the way he described you. That there was a tiny fego car. That same life will come back again. Yes. That is if you believe.
I believe things will change for me. Please. Please help me, please.
Alright then. Tomorrow we'll take you to our man of God, our pastor. A true man of God, ordained by God. By the time you undertake the spiritual cleansing, Emezie,
Sonny Billion, one more thing. Okay. Keep it a secret.
Yes. I'll not tell my wife. I'll not tell everybody.
Nobody should know about it. I think we'll have to go now.
Yeah, tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Tomorrow then.
Tomorrow, yes, I'll be here.
Are you sure you're ready?
I'm ready.
Told you something. Don't tell your wife.
I will not tell my wife.
Thank you. You should be excited and I'm sitting down and shaking out.
I'm happy.
I'm
happy.
Good.
I'm happy.
So, wise one. We brought this young man here for total cleansing.
Have you told him what his problem is?
Yes. I have told him what I see. That is why we brought him here, so you can tell him more.
Exactly.
There is nothing more. You have to settle the spirit of your grandfather. Then you can be rich again.
Holy One, I'm willing to do anything. Anything at all, as long as I become rich again.
Then take this blade, cut your finger. You're welcome. All the wealth and riches you want is here. But you have to work hard to get it.
I'm ready. Holy One, I am ready to do anything. I'm ready to even give my blood. I'm willing. Just make me rich again, please.
You are lucky to be here today. Your grandfather who made you poor is on a journey to take your triplets away from you tonight.
What? Holy One, please. Please, help me. Please. Talk to me. I don't want to lose them. Please. Please.
Have you met before? How did I know you have triplets? So, I'm a true man of God.
Yes, indeed, you are a man of God. And I need your help. Please.
You need to cripple that wicked spirit of your grandfather, or you remain poor all your life. Then take this cloth. Use it to cover your triplet tonight.
That's all?
Yes. Then bury the cloth in the bush the next morning. Are you okay?
Emeze, if you perform these rites very well, money, riches will begin to follow you and you will never ever taste poverty in your life again.
Agent of Satan, agent of Satan, evil people everywhere. Their heart is beating, so much bitter. They never forget things at all. They never forgive at all. Too much of jealousy, enviness, juligisio. Wanya mususu, ginanyo tugi, gini komelgi. What has he done to you?
Where have you been? I've been looking for you.
I went to toilet.
Oh. Okay. Let's go inside.
No. I'm okay here. I'm not feeling sleepy yet.
You may say it's cold. You can't stay outside. Even if you're not sleeping now, at least stay inside the house.
You know what? You can go inside. I'll join you later.
It is sure. Ay.
Money. When the money comes, I begin to do money things. Look at this. Just what you go to first? I could go inside that. Out. Bring this place down. You know, build all these modern duplets that I see in magazines. Probably movies out and set it up this way. So that you know. The car park can be here. Like all these buildings you have in Lekki. All these Lekki houses. The house is that way. And then you just drive in. And then, you know, you line the cars up. Like this. Like that. Like this.
Kemesi?
Omali Chanwa. My darling.
You know your name.
I am talking to money. Money talk. I'm talking to money. Eh? Hmm?
Kemesi, are you...
Open your nose and breathe. And you smell money. You will smell money. I have made some money moves. I have made some money moves. And very soon, money will begin to bow to me.
Let me say, what is wrong with you? Who are you talking to? It's just...
You see, all the people, all of them, that felt that I have fallen flat on my face because I don't have money, they shall all line up and begin to hail me. And I'll be doing money things too. Money things, you know me. Eh? But the first thing I'll do is to transform you. Not this thing that you're wearing that looks like the sieve they used to process cassava. That is not it. I'm going to transform you. My darling, make a long list. Everything that you know you are going to need in this lifetime, you and the baby, I'm going to do. Eh? For money is coming.
Emesia, is somebody bringing money to you? What is going on? I don't understand what you're saying.
Money is coming. You cannot see it. Eh? You cannot hear the vibration of cash coming our way. You have to believe. They say have faith. Eh? Let your faith manifest. Eh? I will break down this house. Put a mansion this way. Eh? When you talk to this landlord that built this kiosk and ask him why this house is facing the sun, I want to chichabuani here. This is what poverty causes. See how we are sweating. When you live in a wrong house, your destiny becomes wrong.
I'm going to go inside and check on the babies.
Why? Why do you want to leave me here? Bia. Omali Chanwa. Come and tell me the things that you will need when money comes. Come and talk to me. Tell me. I want you to tell me. Where do you want to go and make your hair? Where do you want to fix your nails? Where do you want to fix your lash? I'll do all that for you. That is what money does. What car do you want? You want a G-Wagon, white or navy blue? Eh? Tell me. Eh? I will bust your brain with money. I lost all of them. It did not work. It did not work.
Calm down. You're one of the luckiest man alive. Calm down.
I lost 3 children and you're telling me that I'm lucky. So then what are you talking about now?
I'm not even given much. And you become very rich soon. What?
How do you begin to explain what you're telling me? I'm telling you that I lost 3 of my children. You're telling me I have not given them. What else do you want me to give?
When you're fighting a battle like this, you give cow, you give goat for God to hear you and fight your battle.
Talking about my children should not have died. I came here to seek the face of God. They're supposed to be alive. Is that not how it works? When you're in trouble, you come to the house of God. Is that not how it works?
You know God works in mysterious ways. Believe me, only God knows what would have happened to you and your family if you did not see the man of God.
You have made the first step, but you have to come back in 3 days. Then I will tell you what next to do.
What next to do? Have I not done enough? What else do you want me to do? I lost my triplets to the spirit of my grandfather.
You don't talk when I have not asked you to speak.
Please forgive him. Please forgive him, man of God.
You don't back out now. If I open your spiritual eyes to see what is in the spirit, you will thank me for the little I have done. You have to fast for 2 days and come back, then I will tell you what next to do.
Listen, you need to cheer up. Things will fall into place and you'll be happy again. Just calm down.
I don't know what else to do. I'm helpless. I'm just so upset that the spirit got to them before we could even do the ritual. What do I do?
Listen, calm down. You're about becoming a billionaire. Please, take things easy. Very soon the man of God will still get back to you. Please, don't say this rubbish before your wife. Who knows what would have happened to your family if you did not see the man of God? Calm down.
Calm down. You'll be rich again. You'll be rich.
Open your eyes, look at me. Look at Chima! Don't do this to me. Chima. Look at me. Mommy's calling you.
Your heart is bitter. So much bitter. They never forget it at all. They never forgive at all. They are for destruction. They are for killing. They are here to render you useless. They are judgment to you. They will be just. When you're judgment to you. When you're too much of jealousy, enviness, what has he done to you?
How? Oh, Chimo, where did I go wrong? What have I done wrong? What did I do wrong? Oh, Chimo, where did I go wrong? Hurt yourself. Chimo.
What is going on? What is it?
I'm coming, let me check my children. Oh, Chimo.
What is it?
Our child has left us. Chima is gone. Hey, Chimo. Where did I go wrong? What did I do? Where did I go wrong? Oh, Chimo. Hey.
Monsieur, my man. My man. Why are you this sad?
I don't know what you're doing here. Okay, you are not allowed to sit down. I did not invite you to my house. Why are you here? What is the problem?
Come on, Emezie. Why are you reacting like this?
See, Emezie, I came in peace. As I'm talking to you right now, someone is looking for who will supply charcoal to a shipping company. And I told him I have a friend whose village is the highest in charcoal production in the whole East, so that you can take off from there. See, as I'm talking to you right now, we are talking about millions of dollars in first supply. I'm not joking.
You're serious?
I'm serious. As I'm telling you now, the man transferred $2 million in my account.
What?
And is that your domiciliary account still active?
Yes, the one that I gave you, the one you have, is still active.
That one you gave me?
Yes.
Fine. I will show you I'm not joking. See, Emezie, I'll transfer it to you. I'm transferring the money to you. I'm not joking.
You're serious?
Oh, am I here to joke? I'm not here
Tony,
to joke.
You're serious?
My man, be glad. Be glad.
Tony, do you know that this news can change my life?
Bros, God is God.
Do you know? Hey! Sonny Billions, you said it, so.
God is God.
Sonny Billions, you said it.
Hi.
Sonny Billions, Sonny.
You've been crying.
Sonny, my friend said. Sonny!
Emezie, God is God.
Father.
Emezie. Is that you?
Yeah, so.
Oh, so good to see you.
What are you doing here?
My car just developed some little fault. I'm trying to get a mechanic to fix it.
Father, this is your car. This is your car. It is high time we changed it.
Oh yes. That will happen after we've completed the church building, of course.
I understand that you're burdened by that church project, but you know what? I'll come and see you first thing tomorrow morning with a check of 5 million naira so that we can get you another car. And while we're getting you another car, I also promise to have another sit down with you and we'll look into that church project again.
Wow, that will be great.
Thank you, Father. I will not fail to stop by tomorrow morning. Have you called any of those boys to come and help you move the car out of this place?
I'm still trying to reach the mechanic, but I don't know, the line is not connecting.
Okay. I would call one of my boys as well to help.
Oh, we appreciate that. Thank you very much.
All right, Father. Take it easy.
Yes, God will bless you.
All right.
Is that not easy?
Of course, that's easy. Yes.
He has become rich again.
Well, God has decided to bless him. We serve a wonderful God. Yes.
God is really wonderful.
We thank God for everything.
Are you surprised?
Let me see.
Are you surprised? Are you surprised? Are you surprised? Take a look at me. Look at me. Our story has changed.
Let me see. Where did you get? Okay, I'm not going to borrow these things. Where did you collect shoe from? You even collected eyeglass, collected walking stick. Where did you collect these things from?
Open that front seat. Open it. Open.
Chimo!
What is it?
Did you go to rob a bank?
Go and get it. Go and get it. Go and get it. It belongs to you. It belongs to you. All of it.
The money is mine.
Yes. I told you that when things become good, that you will be the first that I will take care of.
My husband has a car. My husband is looking good. Chimo. Chimo.
Where did you get this from?
Hi.
Relax.
Chimo.
Relax.
Okay.
Let me see.
Sweetheart.
Is this our car?
Yes, again.
Mazi, I have made money. Things have changed. Relax.
Things have changed, yo.
Hey!
I love you too.
Mazinze. Mazinze. I called you here today in front of our Kingsman to thank you in a very special way. Mazi, I am not sure you know the strength of what you did for me when life was dealing with me. At this point in my life, I can say that I have seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. But when things were bad and ugly, you were there for me. You kept urging me on. You kept encouraging me. Mazi, it will interest you to know that if not for your encouraging words, I would have maybe taken my life.
No.
Of course, you are aware that I attempted suicide a couple of times. But you kept telling me that I would make it again. And I have made it again. Mazi, I want you to know that I will take care of you. I am going to place you on a 1 million naira monthly allowance, amongst other benefits. Mazi, you are an old man, but I am going to keep you here longer. I am going to be your God here on earth. Mazi, this is the first 1 million naira in cash. And after now, it will continue every other month for the rest of your days here on earth.
I don't deserve this. Yes, you roofed my house. You set my son up in a business. It's enough for me, Mananke. Hey! My kinsman.
Okay, it's
fine, I'll come and see you. My kingsmen, I called the both of you here because I am certain that you are sure of the pledge that I made towards the community project.
Yes.
20 million naira. I believe that it would make you happy to know that I have transferred all of that sum to the Igwe for the commencement of that project.
Yes. You know we had the firm. We tell you to come and check whether we are dreaming or not.
Whether it is true, eh?
Yes.
I was thinking you could, give us just a little, like you gave each year. Just a little. You know we like you.
Yes.
You know what I
came
Do you honestly think that you have earned it? The both of you. I want the both of you to support the Igwe in any capacity that is required of the both of you towards the completion of that project.
Yes, we will.
That is why I called you.
We are the committee now. We are the ones working out those things. We are not supposed to.
Ichie. Is in your work in a feature.
Nke dara ụdara nọ. Nke mbamba. Mbamba opinu dara ụdara. Ọ na person arụ. We are the ones running around for this project.
It is sure na igbulo obi.
Makana Noramo da. I did not hear the sound of your flute.
Wait, what's wrong around for the project now?
I don't know, Fuma.
If you get the cash, spend it. Digital burger, yellow burger, your money is like river. Occult, your money don't put the enemies into confusion. Every day and night, these people not the sleep at all. For your case, if you get the cash, spend it. Digital burger, yellow burger,
Are you sure you don't want me to get you anything to drink?
No. Let me wait for Emezia to come back.
Yes, I know you want to wait for him, but while you wait, I can get you anything, even if it's water.
Don't worry. Thank you so much. Don't worry, eh?
I'll be inside if you need anything. He will soon be back.
It's okay.
Alright.
My good friend. Aneriako, my good friend.
Aneriako,
You
are in my house today. This is all strange. It has been ages since I saw you here. Is there a problem?
Yes, there's a problem. I'm into big trouble.
You're in trouble?
I don't have the mouth to say it.
What is the problem?
My container load of cement ran into the river last week. As I am now, I am left with nothing.
Quite unfortunate. Quite unfortunate. So what do you want to do now?
The microfinance bank is on my neck. They are threatening to confiscate everything I have if I don't pay back the loan to them. Please help me.
You want my help?
People go to treat you better when you get money. They go they call you names because you never did. People go they treat you better because you get money. They go they praise your name because you never die.
That's a check of 3 million. Huh?
3 million naira.
That would go a long way.
3 million naira, all for me. Thank you so much. I don't deserve this.
Oh no, don't say that. Of course you deserve this. This is the reason we make money for situations like this. Huh?
Thank you. My God will bless you. We'll continue to bless you and bless you and bless you. Thank you so much. Mo, 3 million naira.
So listen, as I was saying, so I brought you here so that you can see. In my opinion, this building is facing the sun. And that is the reason I'm thinking that we bring it down
and then we erect the new building this way, you know, something like this. You know, facing that direction, we have the swimming pool that way, and then the car park somewhere. Right. You get what I'm trying to say? Now, the reason I'm saying that the swimming pool should be that way is the sun comes from that end. So it's only natural that if the sun comes from that end, you know, it hits the pool, it creates some kind of heat, and that's enough motivation to make people want to dive into the pool. You get what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Exactly. So let me see what you're working with, and then let's see what you have concerns.
Okay, based on the available space and structural diagram, we can actually manage this space. The only issue here is it's going to cost you extra money.
Come on, young man. Stop talking about money when you're talking to me. There's a reason they call me an Eriak. Money is not an issue.
Sorry, sir.
As long as you do a good job, you make me happy. I make you happy for just 1 second.
Absolutely.
I see that you have come to my house with 2 bars of yam and a little goat. I'm not a deity.
You're not a deity, but it's a taboo. It's a taboo for one to go to a great man's house empty-handed. So I said to appear with this. It's a token.
I see. So what brings you here?
It's not easy for me. Number one, I've come to apologize to you concerning the way I treated you about a month ago. Then secondly, let me stop that so far.
I see. Apologies accepted. But I believe that that is not the reason you're here with 2 bars of yam and a little goat.
One more thing. Eliako, my younger son living at Ubah, the one that makes sure he ran into a serious problem with his business, financial problem. That's why I decided to come here with this big, the he-goat and these 2 bars of yam.
I see. Tell your son to come and see me next week. I'll give him 2 million naira.
2 million, kid? 2 million naira for my son. And Eliako, that is a good man with a good heart. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It is fine. I don't need the 2 bars of yam. Like I said, I'm not a deity. I don't need the yam. I don't need the little goat.
What else will happen?
It's fine. It's fine.
Just like that?
I have been blessed. And when God blessed me, He did not ask for anything in return. So you can go.
2 million naira, just like that.
It's fine, you can go.
2 million naira.
Chop money. It's money. Money. My dad.
I'm losing my sanity. I'm losing my sanity. Where will I start? Epic and David, I'm going everywhere. Who will save me? My life is shambles. Who will rescue me?
Why am I like this?
Emese, you just wasted the last Gary we have in the house. What is wrong with you?
Why am I still wearing these rubber slippers? Hi!
Emese, stop this. I don't like it though. I don't like this thing you are doing.
No. There was money. I was spraying money. I was spraying money. You need to see me.
Emese, which money are you talking about?
I was spraying money.
What is this?
I was spraying money.
You say you are scaring me. Stop this.
Emese, money. Stop.
Listen to me. Get a grip of yourself. Stop this. What is wrong with you? What in God's name is wrong with you?
But it was money.
Hey.
spraying you money. You need to see me. You need to see cars. You need to see how you were looking. I was spraying you money.
Monsieur, this is
You need
madness.
to see money.
Monsieur Biko, I don't like this.
Was it a dream? Was it a dream?
Maybe it was. But you need to stop. You need to stop. Biko. Biko.
It was a dream. It cannot be a dream. So I still don't have money.
Monsieur.
Why don't I have money?
Monsieur, you're driving me crazy. Stop this. I don't like it.
Why don't I have money?
I don't know. Stop what you are doing. Monsieur, stop it.
Hey!
What is this? What are you doing?
No, but I was spraying money.
Monsieur,
I saw myself spraying money.
Stop. Stop.
No, was I not spraying money?
Biko, just stop.
No, you should have seen me.
Monsieur.
I'm a mifego.
Monsieur.
I was spraying.
Monsieur.
Hey, this cannot be a dream.
Monsieur! How?
Sonny?
What is it?
Wait, don't wake me up.
Don't wake me up. What is it?
I feel that I'm still dreaming. Don't wake me up. Hey! Sonny?
Emezi, what are you talking about?
If you see cash, if you see money, if you see cars, hey! Come and look at my wife, what she was wearing. Look at her. See cars. I saw myself in a mansion. All like this, walk. I was standing tall like a man. Somebody should not tell me that was a dream. Why are people laughing now? Why laughing?
Wait a minute. Were you daydreaming?
Sonny Billion, don't tell me that I was dreaming. Don't tell me that I was dreaming. This cannot be a dream. No! Somebody should not wake me up. Anybody who wakes me up for that kind of dream would have me to contend with. Why would it be a dream? Why would it be a dream?
You were dreaming. Just join us and take some drinks. Not unlock it now.
You see, if actually what you said you saw in the dream is true, then they'll come through. I mean, they'll come your way.
So this was a dream.
Come drink with us.
So this was a dream.
One
Leave this drink! I'm still living in poverty. I saw all that beauty and I just woke up and I saw myself wearing these rubber slippers. I saw myself in this situation. You're telling me to drink. Something is not right, Tom. Don't tell me that you took me to a fake pastor. Because all the promises that they made me, no one has manifested. They told me I'm going to get rich. They told me that things would get better. Nothing is happening so far. What is going on? Did you take me to a fake?
Hey. Are you by any way trying to blaspheme the name of the man of God?
That is not what I am doing. I am saying that you people told me that the moment I put that cloth on my children, that my grandfather's spirit that has been haunting me all this while and going for my destiny will burn to ashes. But instead, my triplets, they turned to 3 tubers of yam. I'm here, I'm asking questions. Why am I still poor? What exactly is going on?
Emezi, I will want you to calm down. You will be rich.
When?
Like I said, just join us and take some drinks.
When will I be rich? I ask you, Omego. When will it become my turn to make it in life? I'm asking you. My dear friends, did you take me to a fake man of God? If you did not, answer my questions. Or you take me somewhere else. Take me to one who is an oracle, who can talk to God directly, to beg him to change my situation. Or you teach me how to talk to God directly. For I am tired of this situation.
Now listen to me, Emezi. I'm going to give you 500,000 naira right away. Right now.
You have just confirmed my fears. So you still want to be giving me money. So it means that I'm not getting rich anytime soon.
What are you talking about? It's one of those good things that you saw in your dreams. It's part of it.
Hey, Sonny, what do you have to say, Sonny? Hey, 500, eh? It's okay, bring the money. It's okay, I'm no longer upset. Bring the money. Bring the money. Go away, go to Kenji.
I will give you the money.
Let me have the money.
Just hold on.
Look at that, yeah? Life will change for you.
No, but I don't understand. Is it that this man of God, everything he did is not working?
No.
Sonny Billion.
Omega.
Emezia, you will have this cap. And with this cap, you are going to make it in life. That reminds me, what is that your title? By the time you have this cap on your head, your name will be heard all over and every corner of this village.
You see, don't even think about it. You know why? We mean well for you.
Exactly.
We do mean well for you.
Yes, it is.
Excuse me. Who's calling me? Excuse me. Hello. Yes. Yes. Straight to the point, please. It's okay. We'll be there in a jiffy. We'll be there in a jiffy. All right, bye.
Sonny, what was that?
Akukalia 1 of Osina. Oh. Do you know I almost forgot today's is a father's memorial party? Oh, would really have to be there.
Yeah.
And then with him, you can stay back, enjoy yourself. We'll come back and meet you.
I can't go with you too.
No. Don't be in a haste.
See. You see this cap on your head?
Yes.
Don't remove it. And always prophesy riches to yourself. You will have them. They will follow you.
Prophesy riches to myself.
Yeah.
I'll have it.
If you can think it, you can achieve it.
To myself. Riches.
Aha! Kandeneba.
Riches.
Give Monsieur Bushmeat everything he wants, okay? Go to your phone and lick out the room. Wake him. Enjoy yourself. And lick out the room.
Agent of Satan, Fanola Lupanola. Vagabulilo Bala. Agent of Satan, Fanola Lupanola.
This life.
Vagabulilo Bala.
This life. What is the point of this life when somebody does not have money? Life, so much poverty. Am I ever going to make it? Will I ever make it? Is it possible that Sonny Billions and Omeko are lying to me? Is that perfect?
Sucking seasons everywhere. Agent of Satan, Fanola Lupanola.
This is not amazing. So amazing poverty has gotten to your head that you can no longer greet your elder.
Aboma, you are an elder. Aboma, you are an old village witch who should just shut up and leave me alone. Aboma, what did I do to you? Mama, did I chew your intestine? Everywhere I turn, I see you. You follow me like my shadow, Mama. You're here to mock me. You're here to mock me. Because you have seen that I have fallen flat. Face down in poverty, but I tell you, Mama, I'm going to rise. I will rise, and when I will rise higher than I used to be. And people like you will join the entourage of people who line up. Eh? Bet. You are laughing.
Daydreamer.
When I move, you hail me. When I pass, you will hail me. You keep hailing me. Don't laugh at my today, because my tomorrow will be brighter. But I ask you, you witch, to leave me alone.
Emezie, whosoever that told you are going to rise again is fooling you. Wake up. Wake up. We shall see.
Na gale na tayali amusu. Eta onya. Eh? Ematatam. If they told you to get my intestines, tell them that you did not find me. Let me tell you, you are going to hail me one day. Ana area conquista. Very soon, my story will change. All those who mocked me, they will eat their words. Let me enjoy my palm wine.
Emilia, you are here. What are you?
Emeze, won't you greet us?
Why will I greet you? What are the both of you doing here? Okay, I get it. You people came to collect my pledge. Yes. For the project. Yes. I don't have. When you walked in here, could you not smell poverty? I don't have. When I have money, I pay. Right now, I don't have.
Emeze, we need to pay our workers.
No problem. We will still come to your house. Yes.
You're a wicked man.
We will still come to your house.
You're a wicked man.
You can't force us to go into any project that even when you know you have no money.
What are you talking about? I'm the one that told you people to go into projects.
Yes!
I made a pledge. My pledge is only a fraction contribution to the entire project. I did not. Biko. Please, you have mocked me enough. But I tell you, another digide, okay, Messia, Demma. It is going to be well with me when I make money. All of you will come back and hail me. Hey!
Let's go. Look at the way he's behaving. Nonsense. We must surely go to his house. He can't force us into his own project and deny us.
Cause if you do good, if you smile, if I believe in love,
all right. What is this that I heard?
Mercy, you've seen all of me, oh. You've seen what is left of me. This is it.
How did this happen?
I don't know. If you tell me to explain, I can't even think of anything.
Chelu. Were they sick?
Sick, man. They were not sick. Those children were hale and hearty. They were doing just fine. Nobody was sick.
Chelu. Chima kwanu. Chima.
Oh, Chibo. Uncle Chima is dead.
Hey! Chima too?
Chima is dead, Uncle.
Mba.
Chima is gone.
Obaraka, this is
Not ordinary. There's your husband.
I don't know where he is. Mom.
Adam? Away. We don't die like this in my family. When your husband comes back, tell him I am back from Kano. He must see me immediately. It is very, very important. Nico.
What a nonsense! Yes! What rubbish!
Take it easy.
You don't tell me that!
Take it easy!
You don't tell me that, Sonny Billion! You don't tell me that! No! I will not take this rubbish! Hey, monsieur.
Why did you give him the cap? You know it will make him mad.
That is why I gave him the cap. I want him mad. Yes, I was mad when he broke my hand and took Oluchi from me.
Migo, we've caused enough damage to that young man. We've ripped him enough.
I have not done anything yet. I will make sure I suck him until nothing is left.
Omego, I have said this before, and I want to repeat myself again. There are many girls in town, beautiful, cultured, and educated girls. You can pick another one.
There you go again. You don't know how much I love Oluchi, do you? Yes, I love her more than money and life.
Omego, tell me, what would you do with a woman who has had 4 children?
Now listen to me. Even if she had 25 children, I love her. I want her.
Migo, but you have mined this guy enough. I mean, you've taken your revenge.
That is my battle. That is my revenge. It's not yours.
But have you forgotten I brought him in for this?
And so what?
We have to stop.
We will not stop.
Omego, for God's sake. For God's sake, you've taken enough pound of flesh from that guy. I don't want this to bring any fracas between us. Because from the way it is going, if time is not taken, it will stain our relationship, and I do not want it.
Sonny Billions, I don't care if we have issue from this. I don't care.
Omego. Omego. Omego.
It has happened. It has happened, Domazi. It has happened. It has happened.
What is it?
My husband has finally gone mad. I went to Mema shop to look for him. I couldn't find him. When Ma said he went to the market, I've searched every nook and cranny in the market. I didn't see him, Uncle. Hey!
What kind of story is this?
Mazi, I don't know how it happened. I don't know. Pico, let's go to the police station. Let's go and make a report or tell the vigilante boys to look for him.
Calm down.
Oh, okay, I'm calm.
Calm down, eh?
Okay.
Hey.
Mazi.
Chilu. Let me lock up.
Hey, wait. You don't need to lock up.
Hey!
Oluchi, are you okay?
Good day, sir.
How are you?
I'm not feeling too well.
So where are you up to?
I was just trying to walk down to the chemist at the junction.
No. The way I'm seeing you, you don't need to go to a chemist. This is my house. Let me just go in and get my car. We'll take you to the hospital.
It's okay, I'm almost there.
You are talking about chemist. I'm talking about hospital. There are two different things here. Let me get the car so that I'll take you to the hospital. Huh?
Cause if you do good, if you smile, iyala banaka fa sebi na mafaka iyala banaka fa sebi na mafaka isiki mechapa boda ifela sebi na mafaka isiki mogo wantinta sebi na mafaka isiki kazi na chidi felege sebi na mafaka ndiwa very kapana sebi na mafaka do for me they know they look for sebi na mafaka
Where am I?
Oluchi, does that matter? No. You see, sometimes sickness don't kill people, but hunger does.
I want to go home.
Don't worry, you go home. Eat first. When last did you eat a good food, a delicious food? When last?
I'm not hungry. I want to go home.
You will go. You will go.
Ma. Ma.
Baby. Breakfast is ready.
Their heart is beating, so much beating. They never forget it at all.
I told you were not sick. All you needed was just good food and good life.
What did you do to me?
I did not do anything. I'm only trying to bring you out of poverty.
Jesus. Omego. You will suffer. You will know pain and shame until you die.
Please stop it. I heard your husband has gone mad. Huh? I'm only trying to help here. I know you will not be able to manage, or do you want to live your life with a madman?
Could you have done this?
Listen, you cannot manage poverty and madness at a time. You are too young and beautiful. Calm down.
It is obvious you came for revenge. How did I miss it? I was so stupid. I was blind. How did I even get into your car? God. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh. Don't dare touch me. Get your filthy legs on my slippers.
In our lives, for us to be complete, every Christian must have the Holy Spirit in them. I'm very glad that you have completed your fasting. And I pray that the good Lord will come against every devices of the evil one against your life.
Amen.
Stand up, let me pray for you. Stand up, brother.
I come against every power of darkness in your life in any way, shape, or form. The Bible says that whatever I present before thee, Lord, will never lose nor rust, and no power of darkness can take it away from thee. Right now, I present this your servant before thee, Holy Spirit. In any way that the devil is coming against this life, in the name of Jesus, we come against them. In the name of Jesus, we come against them. Ringale inga burondele ibariendele ingezekete. Ingale inga buriedenga. Ielekete ingedienenga dayalebo. Dosendele yelenda. Yekedinga dagasendere yelenga. Denielebo zondodo yedenga. The Bible said in Psalm 91 that whatever, Lord, that he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadows of the Almighty. And today, Lord, I present this your servant before thee. No power of darkness will come against him anymore. The power of darkness will no longer work in your life. The power of the evil ones will no longer work in your life. In the name of Jesus. From today henceforth, you enter into a new dimension of the Holy Spirit. You enter into a new dimension of blessings. The Holy Spirit come over your life and take control of your life. In the name of Jesus Christ. Fire of the Holy Ghost! Fire of the Holy Ghost! Fire of the Holy Ghost! Any power of darkness in this life, in any way, will come against you in the name of Jesus. We come against you in the name of Jesus. Holy Ghost fire!
Mazi, take him home. Take him home. Take him away. Leave me alone.
Mazi, who is this man? Who are you?
Let's go.
They brought me to your place. You don't have kola nut, you don't have palm wine. Are you not a traditional man? Don't you know tradition? On a marrow menan. You did not give me money. You did not give me palm wine. You did not break kola nut. And I'm a titled man. Look at my head. Uncle, leave me. Let me talk to this man. I want to introduce myself to this man. I'm a custodian of our culture.
Ichie, take him away.
I'm not going anywhere. I stay here. Mazi. This man will give me money.
He don't give you any money. Let us go.
No, this man will give me money.
Let us go.
Oh, this man will give me money.
What are we doing here?
You are fine.
Who is that?
Nam, you are fine. Dibia, I will see you. Let us go.
Agent of Satan, Fanola Lupanola. Agent of Satan, Fanola Lupanola. Evil people everywhere. Their heart is bitter.
Hello, Omego. It is done. I told you I would deliver. Congratulations to us. Omoa Sonny Billion.
They are here to render you useless. They are jumping at you.
Raguel! Where did you get her from?
Along the village road.
Did you know she was a witch?
A witch? Wise one, I am not in a state of no.
How dare you defile this sanctuary? The price is grave.
We'll replace her. We'll get a better person. Exactly. Please forgive us.
There is no forgiveness in this temple. Get out! Get out before I make you mad. Get out!
Agent of Satan, Fanola Lupanola. Agent of Satan, Fanola Lupanola.
How could you do this? No, who in this village does not know that Aboma is a witch?
How would I have known? How would I have known? Am I from your village? Am I from your village? How would I have known she's a witch?
Okay, you are laughing. Are you laughing over this matter?
How would I know? She's Abo. Imagine. How? Aboma is a witch. Am I from your village?
Aboma. Aboma is a witch.
I am not a witch. How would I know it's a witch? You asking me?
They are for killing.
Please, can I
They
talk
are here to render you useless.
Please, I'm not in the mood to talk to anybody.
Please, I have a leading in my spirit by the Holy Spirit to speak to you. You are about leaving your marriage, and this burden I see on your neck, the Lord God that I serve can lift it off your neck.
I am not sure you can do anything for me, please. I need to go.
Please, my sister, okay? I have this sense in my spirit that your husband is not in a good position. Wherever he is right now, what I'm seeing is very wrong. I will ask you to please take me to your husband. Do you have idea where he is by this time of the day?
I don't know where he is. I don't know.
It's okay, okay? It's okay, just calm down. Take me to your house. I need to pray with you people in a joint prayer, like in a family prayer. Can you just take me to wherever your house is? I will follow you.
It's this way, sir.
Oh, okay, please, let's go. Don't cry.
Cause if you do good, if you smile, it's so good. If I believe in love, Anya mire jumanya obi ebawagamo. People are wicked. Anya mire jumanya liyebwe. They can't sleep for your kiss.
Oh no. Oh no, walk. Obiga, I'm not happy. What is keeping Mazi in cell? What is keeping him? For the past 1 hour, we have been here waiting. I'm not happy. Look at the sun. It's too much. I'm sweating.
Why are you even bothered? You hear me? Emezia is doing 2 in 1 today. He is celebrating his birthday and also his Thanksgiving party. And we are to come from the village as his kinsmen. If they feel like coming to collect us, okay. If they don't want to, then they leave us behind. That's why I stand there. Are you hearing this? Nothing to lose at all.
Wait, he's the one calling me.
Listen.
Yes, okay. Mazinze, what is keeping you?
Oh no. Where are you people?
For the past 1 hour, we have been here waiting for you. Under the sun.
But I said come to the junction now. Ame is a junction.
You should have called to tell me that now.
The dance troupe, they are all here.
Okay, we are coming.
Ngwanu Biano, come. Come.
You are coming where? Why not tell them to come?
He said they are along the road.
Why not tell them to come and collect us?
No, he said we should come. There's a cultural dance group waiting for us.
Cultural dance group?
Yes.
So we have come for a big function.
Let's go.
Where are the others? Ngwanu.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So before I make this toast, I'd like to start by saying that I'm thankful to God for a beautiful day like this, for us to come together to celebrate life in good health. In these past couple of years of pain, lack, turmoil, betrayal, I have learned a few things that I'd like to share with you, my inner circle. First and foremost, no matter how successful you find yourself, try if you can. I know it can be tempting sometimes, but try if you can not to be a show-off. Try not to live an exorbitant lifestyle, especially in the eyes of the people. Because really, not everyone who smiles with you loves you from here. And also, if you can keep your circle small, it will be great. Really, it will be great. A very small circle of well-meaning people, people who love you from your heart. You know what they say? An enemy can never hurt you from afar.
That's true.
One who must hurt you must come close to you. One who would hurt you will have to be part of your circle. Now when you have a very big circle, a stray bullet might hit you and you don't know where it's coming from. People smile because they see you shine, but really in their heart of hearts, they want you to fall face down. But for you to be the man of the people, you must possess a lot of wisdom. And if possible, as well, screen the invites that you get. It's not everywhere that you have been called to be that you must be, if you must live long as well. I'd like to say that I am toasting to long life, in good health, and many more
sorry.
to celebrate. You okay, baby? Why are you tearing? What is it?
There is something I've been meaning to tell you.
Come on, baby, hold my hand. Speak. I am here.
I was at a hospital 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
Because I was feeling some type of way, so I ran some tests and the doctor called me a day after. He said that I'm pregnant.
Oh, good news! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, one of us.
So I can actually have a toast.
Yes. Congratulations.
Congrats, bro. Look at that. Look at that.
That's my man. That's my man. Oh yeah. Happy celebration. Yeah.
That's my man.
The day God created me, He made you just for me. You and I have gone full circle and we're still here, waxing strong, baby. Congratulations to us. We're expecting again, and these ones will stay.
You see?
Because we're expecting a set of twins this time.
Oh, that's fun. Three. Oh, come on.
A boy and a girl. A boy and a girl.
Yes, we love her.
Look how beautiful this is.
Everything is safe. Even the king is here too.
Oh, thank you very much. We'll be with them.
Well, tell him you will join him.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is a wonderful birthday present.
Yes.
It is.
Double celebration. We love you. Happy birthday to every one of us here.
Okay, we shouldn't keep the king waiting. I don't think that's proper.
Come on.
Odema.
Okay.
Sure. Right after you, baby.
And after you, bro.
Thank you.
If you get the cash, spend it. It's the burger. Yellow bubble, that kind of that. They got the man, he gets plenty money. They got the man, he gets plenty money. Up at all. Your money is like river. Oko shimili, eko gadi agwagu. Child, makane ri agwa na bia. Your money don't put the enemies into confusion. Every day and night, these people know the sleep at all. For your case, Oshimilata, if you get the cash, spend them. Digital Quaker, you the Quaker, yellow ball, Daka, no daddy. Aneliaco, they got the man, he gets plenty money. Aneliaco, they got the man, he gets plenty money. Aneliaco, up at all, Aneliaco. If you get the cash, spend that. Digital Quaker, you book us the yellow ball, Daka, no daddy. Aneliaco, they got the man, he gets plenty money. Aneliaco, they got the man, he gets plenty money. Aneliaco, up at all, Aneliaco. People go to treat you better when you get money. They call you names because you negodi. People go to treat you.